Hey guys, welcome to Naked Truth. As you know, I'm your host, Manraj, giving you straightforward answer for your straightforward questions regarding your sexual health and body. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go ahead with the question. So, today our question comes from a 13-year-old, Help Me, from Mumbai. He asks, why does my voice crack when I talk? It's so embarrassing. How can I control it? Well, voice cracking is something very natural and common which guys go through, especially during puberty age. Even I went through. Your body is going through different changes, and due to which your voice deepens. And due to these changes, there's a crack in your voice. So it's just a temporary phase. We all go through. So don't worry and you'll be fine soon. So help me. I hope this does indeed help. And if you have more questions regarding male health issues, please write in to us or mail us at tnt@mdhil.com. No questions are too crazy for us and everything is completely confidential. Subscribe to our channel and I'll see you soon.